record. All right, we are going exploring upstairs.
You got one last camera that you don't have anything hooked up to.
Good.
We're gonna go put it in one of the creepy rooms.
Currently have creepy chair room. Okay, Tosh, go ahead. And we got the basement. And why are you being, sometimes she gets
We had a talk earlier. You told me it was okay. Come on.
so scaredy cat up here. And she literally, she'll touch anything and she'll be like, oh my God, and then she runs away. Okay, so we got one that looks down the stairs, one the creepy chair room. So we could do either one that points from here up to the attic stairs, or we could do it in the creepy back room.
Shall I open it?
Yeah, let's open it and see, show what it looks like. Yeah. So,
These are just drop cams, so I'm not sure if the signal's gonna work from that far. But I'm willing to give it a shot. Tasha, you should sit down here.
stay with the mama.
We're not good for anything.
It's very dark in the attic
Jesus.
at nighttime.
Extra dark.
Yeah, that's why I was like, just there, like, I'll show you guys sometime, but I need to go around it in the daytime because there are like some spots that you really need to be careful not to step up there. And I'm just not very familiar with it yet. Oh.
I'm gonna go into the other room, the creepy part. Put it on the shelf next to where we found the creepy dolls.
Oh, by where we found the creepy dolls? Awesome.
This seems like the right thing to do. If I'm not back in a minute, then oh shit.
I'll send Tasha after you.
Don't do that.
No? You little creepy dogs. What are you doing? Oh, Tasha, come back here. Daddy doesn't want you upstairs. Stay here. Come on. Stay here. That's Daddy. He's coming back. Don't worry. Like when your house is so creepy that even your dogs are creeped out. Okay.
One day you guys will get to see up here.
Yes. Just not today.
Last of the drop cams. Eventually we'll have full surveillance, but for right now, just little blinks.
And this is
Let's see if we get the thumbnail.
like not the creepy chair room. I'm on the wrong side of the house.
Oh yeah. It's, not really sure if that could be creepier, but
Let's see.
just to show that up in the attic, there's another set of stairs that goes to the lookout on the roof. Yeah. It's like
That's
1/4
awesome.
of the attic over there. Cool.
Very nice.
It's like camera.
All right. I will stick some of the thumbnails.
The creepy chair is calling to us. I'm a creepy chair. I said, let's not go down there, Tosh.
Tosh.
Come on. Get it all later.
Bye.
Peace, love, and stay out of the attic.